Hope you are all doing well today. So last time you have talked about how to copy sheets with Miss Natalie, and today we are going to continue our lesson. And you will have a homework for next time just to think of the knowledge assessment part. Okay, so this is what we are going to do today. Hala, I have prepared this worksheet for you, and it is posted in Files class materials, so you can go there and you can find this sheet if you want to work with me. As you prefer to work later on, when you're done with the whole video camera, you can do that. So this sheet is found in Files class material. It's called the spa services sheet. So as you can see, now you've learned how to copy sheets, and now we have the 3 sheets with their data. The next thing that we will be learning is how we can change the sheet tab color. So I want, for example, to make the sheet Monday appear as red, sheet Tuesday as orange, sheet 3 as yellow. Alright, so how we can do that? It's very simple. You will like that, I'm sure of that. So you right click, you go to tab color, and you choose your best your preferred color. So I want to choose the red color for Monday sheet. I will choose the orange color for the Tuesday sheet. I will choose the yellow color for the Wednesday sheet. So now as you can see here, you have the 3 sheets with their respective colors. Okay, so it's very easy to do that. After that, we will see how we can hide a sheet. Now, why do we want to hide a sheet anyways, yani? Let's say the lookup sheet. Let's see what's in the lookup sheet. I don't need that to see that, yani. It's the fees. It's the fees, and these numbers are connected أكيد للformulas اللي I am using here. So here we have formulas which are connected supposedly, let's see, to the lookup sheet. As you can see here, this formula, it's lookup, so it's related to the massage cost. So if I go there, there is this cost here. All right, but so I don't want all the people to see the fees هيك على one page. خلاص, I just want to use this worksheet here for the formulas found in the Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday sheet. So how can I do that? Okay, how can I hide the lookup sheet? We have more than one way. As you know, in Excel, you have more than one way to do one thing. So the first way is you can go to the format in the home tab. You can go to the format, and there is something called hide and unhide, and you can hide the sheet from here. All right, that's one way. Second way, it's faster. You just right click on the sheet and you click hide. So let's do this. I will click hide, and I will hide the sheet, and it's gone, but the formulas are still there. So you can use the formulas even if they are related to a hidden sheet, and that makes your work more organized. طيب, what if I want to get the sheet back? So I right click, there's something called unhide. You choose your sheet and you press OK, or come in the second way, go to format, hide and unhide, unhide sheet, same window, you press OK, and the sheet is back. So we can hide and unhide sheet. How we can delete a sheet? Right click, delete, or can we do it? Where do you think we can do that? هون لا, in the delete above the format. Let's see, there is something called delete sheet, but you need to watch out for something. Before you delete a sheet, make sure that you really don't need this sheet. تعرفوا ليه؟ لأنه once you delete the sheet خلاص, it is gone, and you cannot undo your work. So once it deleted, ما فيكم تعملوا Control Z to get your sheet back. Alright, so make sure that before deleting a sheet, to make sure that you really don't want that يعني before you delete it. Alright. طيب, what if I want to work with multiple sheets together? يعني what if I want to uh, work with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday at the same time? Can I do that? Yes, I can, and you will like this, by the way. Then it saves a lot of time. Look what I will be doing now. Look what I will be doing. And by the way, I am following the steps that is in the ebook which you have, so you can go to the ebook and you can see the steps كلهم سوا. What I will be do is I will select all sheets. So how do I select all these sheets here? Let me hide this one. I don't want to use it. Alright, so how do I select all these sheets? I can right click and select all sheets, or what I can do actually is click on Monday, hold the control key on your keyboard, and then Tuesday and Wednesday. Now you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday selected. I will select the cells which are from I4 to M19. So this is I4 to M19. Alright, I will select these cells and I wanna make them dash. I wanna select them. إذا بتشوفوا الفورمات we only have numbers. طيب, is it $100? Is it 100 euros? Is it 100 Lebanese lira? So I don't know yet. I need to put a currency there. So I will select these numbers here مثل ما شايفين أنا بالماندي sheet. Alright, but I have all the sheets selected. So let's go to the general and let's choose accounting. Alright, let's put US dollars. So from here you can change it to US dollars. طيب, this is the Monday sheet. Do you think the Tuesday and the Wednesday sheet also did the same changes? Let's see. I will go to the Tuesday. Same thing. That why did this happen actually? لأنه you have selected all the sheet, and as you know that all these sheets are duplicates. شين duplicates يعني they are copy paste. لأنه I copied and pasted this sheet. I duplicated these sheets. So if I select all the sheets and then I make a change to one of these sheets, the same change will occur to the same place of the other sheets, in the same place of the other sheets. طيب, هيدي شو هون الهاشتاج؟ شو هن هون؟ يعني is it some type of error أو شو؟ هون الهاشتاج as simple as it is. You don't want to worry about that لأنه بيكون النمبر منه سيء in this cell. So all what you need to do is to just increase the the column width, and then there is your number here. So again, I need to select all sheets, hold the control key on your keyboard. Let's say I want this column to be bold. Okay, so the same sheet will happen, or the same change will happen here and here, as you can see. Alright, cool so far. Something else which is very interesting, which you might never heard of before. I will select the Monday sheet. Let's say I want to see the three sheets together. Okay, so I select the Monday sheet. I will go to the view tab. So you know this is the ribbon, these are the tabs. So I will go to the view tab here. There is something called new window. Okay, so I will click on the new window. Oops, I have the same Excel sheet or the same Excel workbook automatically duplicated, and I can choose here Tuesday, for example. Also, I can select a new window from here, and as you can see we have 1, 2 and 3, and then Wednesday. Okay, but it's still not organized so well يعني. What do I need to do? I go to the view tab again, and there's something called arrange all. I need to arrange my workbooks. Let's click on arrange all. How do I want to arrange? I want to see them vertically. So I want to see Monday here, Tuesday here, Wednesday here. So vertically, and I'll press OK. All right. So you have Wednesday here, Tuesday here, Monday here. Okay, أكيد you can switch them. And the good thing مش إنه بس هيك أنا حطيت 3 workbooks and that's it. If you change something here, it will change in all of these duplicated copies. So let's say, for example, I want to change Sarah here, let's say to 500 on Monday, for example. Let's go here and press on Monday. There you go, Sarah. Let's go here and press on Monday. There you go, Sarah. So it's like you're having a mirrored image. So if you change one thing in one sheet, it's automatically changing in the other sheet. So here you can work on Monday. Let's have Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. You can work at the same time using these 3 days. خلينا ارجع سارة ارجع ده كانت سارة 351. All right. So this is one way to do that. I hope you like that. This is a great thing to do if you have many sheets and you want to see them all together. And if you make change to one sheet, the same change will apply أكيد to the other duplicate sheet. And when you're done, just close the sheets which you copied. So this is which sheet, which is the original sheet. Let's see, this is what, okay, this is the original, so I don't want this and I don't want this, just want that. Alright, so this is كمان one way to work with multiple workbooks as well. طيب في هلا شيء which I guess you know about. I'll see how to zoom and how to freeze. How to zoom and how to freeze. The zoom thing, أكيد you can do it from down. As you can see here, you have, this is 100%, so this is the actual size of the Excel. So if you go more, let's say, you are zooming in. Also, you can zoom in using the view tab. There is something called zoom. So here you can also choose to zoom. All right, not bad. So I can see it in a clearer way. What if I want to freeze something? يعني why do I want to freeze أصلا? Why do I want to freeze anything? To know more about that, let me show you why. Let's say I am zooming like this, okay, and okay, so I need to see the names actually here, and I want to scroll like this, but the names are hidden now, so I don't know this number is to which name. All right, so I want to freeze this pane here. I want to freeze this pane so that even if I scroll out, even if I scroll horizontally, I can see the names كمان معهم. So how can I freeze that? How can I freeze this? كمان in the view, I have something called freeze panes. So if I select these and I freeze pane, look what will happen. So the column before the selected row will be frozen. لا أنا ما بدي هذا to be frozen, so unfreeze pane. أنا بدي this one to be frozen, so I need to select this row and then I freeze pane. Now look what will happen when I scroll. So I can see the name, and I can see the total as well. So this is really good if you have a large amount of data and you are going to scroll uh, a lot, and you want to see your row or your column frozen so that you can know which number is for which name. So yeah, you can use the freeze panes. I will unfreeze pane. What about if I want to freeze these here؟ لأنه أنا when I scroll down I don't see them anymore, so I don't know this number for which of these titles. So again, to do that, I will choose this row here, I freeze pane, and so you choose the row below it, okay, below it, and then look, you have the titles frozen, and you can see them wherever you scrolled, and then you unfreeze pane. So you can freeze panes which will make the scrolling process very easy for you. The last thing we will take today is about replacing some data. So I need to find and replace. So let me zoom out. نرجع القصة مثل ما كانت قبل. Alright, good. I will go to the Monday sheet. Okay, I'm there already, and then I will click on find and select. The find and select is found in the home tab here. So here I have find and select, so I need to click here. Okay, that's good, and then I will choose find, and here is find. Now as you can see, we have something called match case. So if you really want to find exactly the same thing, now you need to check that. If you need to find not exactly يعني let's say, let me give you an example. I need to find, for example, Annie, so I will go to Annie. All right, so where do I want to find it? Within this sheet only or within the whole workbook? Okay, whole workbook. Let's see, find next. Okay, this is Annie, so لحاله هو أخذني عند Annie. Find next. Okay, ما عندي إلا بس Annie وحدة. طيب great. I want to find Becca. Let's see, do I have someone called Becca? لكن شو أخذني على شيء اسمه Rebecca. So Becca is part of Rebecca. Okay, so this cell here contains a Becca, but if I put, so let's go back here for example, and then find and select. If I put match case, so I want exactly Becca, not part of the cell should be Becca, so I want the whole cell to be Becca. Let's see if I have a Becca. Okay, for entire cell only. Let's see. Okay, قال لي cannot find the data you're searching. So أنا إذا كنت هون ورحت على find and select وقلت له أنا بدي تكون Becca in the whole cell، يعني بدي إياها exactly the same. Find next، قال لي ما في. بس إذا بشيل هولي and then I find next, it will take me to Rebecca because Rebecca is part of Rebecca. طيب can I replace something? Yes, you can replace. So let's say I want to replace Michelle with Michelle. Okay, so let me go to replace. So I need from Excel to find for me Michelle, and then I want from Excel to replace it with Michelle with an LE, and then all what I need to do is click on replace all. قال لي هون alert, we made one replacement, yes, and that's it. هلا basically this is more beneficial in Word. So let's say you've written a paragraph or an essay, okay, or an essay about let's say someone called David, let's say for example, and then you said, oh, what if I want to change all my essay, instead of David I want to put, for example, Elsa. So what do I need to do? Do I repeat all the essay? So in this case you need to find and select and then replace David with Elsa. All right, so that's it for today. That's the lesson for today. Hope you enjoyed it. What I want you to do now is to go actually. So not the science. I need you to go to your ebooks, Excel course. We're done with lesson 8. We're done with lesson 8. So I want you to solve the knowledge assessment part here, just to check your knowledge, whether you got uh, everything that was said or was explained or not. So it has a 10 multiple choice questions. Try to solve them for next week. All right, that will be it for today. I'll see you next week. If you have any questions, Akid, you can contact me on that chat as well. So bye bye, see you later.